All right, so by now you've been successful at selling recycled parts at your Auto Parts Search website, and you're ready to start selling new parts. That's right, new parts. Auto Parts Search and URG, the Trade Association, has partnered up with Sophio software. My name is Michael Bernholtz. I'm the president and founder of Sophio, and I'm going to show you how we configure Fulfillment by Sophio to work with your recycled parts site. We're going to click on the URG tab, and we're going to turn on selling new parts, and we're going to hit save. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to set a markup, a default markup. Now you can have all sorts of different price markups, but by default it's going to say 1.0, and that's bad because that's cost. Okay, so we want to put in, let's say, something like 1.3 and then hit save. And once we do that, it should display a message: we updated your base pricing model. Click here to see all models. All right, let's do a test of the new parts catalog just to make sure that our parts markup is working. All right, let's add an item to the cart. Now you may not know this, but every item added to the shopping cart is actually stored indefinitely in what we call your open carts until the order is actually checked out. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's click on the home icon to bring us back to the dashboard, and then let's click on carts, and then let's click on today's detail. All right, now you can see the item I just added is right here. It's the last item. All right, and you can see it has a cost of $14.86 and a sell price of $18.32. Now we only typed in 1.30. All right, so let's see. Let's open up our calculator. All right, 14.86 times 1.30. Well, that equals 1931. However, the selling price is 28.32. Now, why is that? Well, in our base pricing model, we add a default of $9 for shipping. Okay, and the reason we do that is because Sophio is going to charge $9 for shipping on each box that they fulfill for you. So if you add the $9 to it, that's going to come up to the $28.32. Now let's just double check that. Let's click on pricing, pricing maintenance, and then we're just going to click search. On any of these maintenance screens, if you don't know what fields to put in or what to select, just click search and you'll see everything that's in the database. All right, now if you look carefully here, you can see we've got the cost markup of 1.3, and then we have a shipping cost of $9. Now that's the flat rate shipping cost that Sophio is charging all of the Auto Parts Search sellers. All right, great. Now at that point, the front end of the site is now set up correctly. You've got the whole catalog. It's over 1 million different part numbers for all makes and all models and all different types of parts. But to be able to place an order, you have to have an account with Sophio, an actual fulfillment account. So to sign up for the fulfillment account, we click on suppliers and then create fulfillment account. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take the information that's in your store configuration, and it's going to use it to create your Fulfillment by Sophio, or FBS, account. All right, great. Now it says, please check your email for a link to activate your account and complete your registration. All right, so we opened up our email, and now we click this link. Great, and there you go. And it now created this account number and password here. Next, let's click the login link, where we can change our payment information and our company information. So first thing, let's change our name, email, and password. And we're going to fill in first name, last name, company, address, etc. If we want to change the email address, this is the place to do it. When you're all said and done, click continue. And next is on to the payment information. Very important, you need to leave a credit card on file with us so that we can automatically process your orders. So click on the payment link and then fill in the form here. We accept MasterCard, American Express, and Visa. When you're done, click submit. Be sure to save the card on file. All right, now that you have your FBS account set up, let's fulfill an order. So we log into our dashboard and we click on open orders. And we will get a list of open orders that are ready for fulfillment that have not yet been shipped. You can quickly take a look at your order statuses here and see, here's one new order. We're going to click on the ship via SOP. All right, and if all goes well, you'll see task OK, order number has been successfully submitted, and it shows you the supplier order IDs. At this point, the order will be sent to Sophio FBS. We will charge the credit card that we have on file, and we will send it to the warehouse closest to the end user. When the order is shipped, the tracking number will automatically be sent back to your store, and an email will be sent to your customer so that they can track the order at the shipper's website. It's that simple.